Vtech Drill and Learn Toolbox complete set ya, like new.
Check it out! See what's in the toolbox! Play any way you like. Wrench. This is a wrench. We use a wrench to hold, tighten, or loosen a nut or bolt. Hammer. A hammer makes the sound This is a green button. Check it out. See what's in the It's music time. Drill a screw or hammer a nail into the hole to hear a melody. Insert a card or press the tool button to hear sing-along songs. Oh, I love to fix everything. I'm never without my toolbox. No project is too big or too small. Oh, I love to fix everything. Yahoo! Wrench, hammer, drill, drill. Please check it out. See what's in the toolbox. Check it out. See what. Check it out. See what's in the toolbox. Play any way you like. Drill the screws or hammer the nails into the tray holes, or press the tool button, or insert a card to play. It's music time. Wrench. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, I love my trusty wrench. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it lives inside my tool bench. Yahoo! It's music time. Drill a screw or hammer a nail. Hammer. Hammer. Drill. Drill. Show me your fix-it skills. Let's answer some questions. Which tool makes the sound? Press the correct button to hammer. Great job!